This is Mick for Nexus Property Management at 62 Vail Street, Unit 2 in Waterbury, Connecticut. This is a newly renovated space. See the black slate tiling, the kitchen island with plenty of cabinet space. Also perfect for dining. That centerpiece is movable. You've got the washer and dryer here on the second floor. No need to travel. Lots of cabinet around this large countertop. Nice deep modern sink. And on the other side, you have your stainless steel fridge, oven range, and microwave with, again, lots of cabinet space. Plenty of storage in this nice modern kitchen. If you're looking for more in your dining space than just that island, you can have a set here. This could be a dining room, also a second living room. Here's your main living space. You'll notice the baseboard heating. Tenants are responsible for gas and electric. Another perk here is a nice private porch. And in mentioning the electric, it's also worth noting that the lights are on right now, but they really don't need to be. What hits me about this unit is just how much natural light comes into it. Really a great spot. Brings us to bedroom 1. Flooring is luxury laminate. It's brand new. This has a nice large closet area. This room measures 15 feet by 15 feet, plenty of room for a queen size bed. Bedroom 2 is just a bit smaller, about 15 by 14, with a smaller closet, relegating it to bedroom 2 status, but it also has the ceiling fan, which is nice. You'll notice recessed lighting throughout the unit. And that brings us to the bathroom. Bathroom again has that nice, sleek, modern look to it. Tiling throughout. Nice large vanity with plenty of storage underneath. Again, this is Mick at 62 Vail Street, Unit 2, Waterbury, Connecticut.